Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Pixels for charge you way more than the price shown for an in-app purchase, like being billed $44 for something listed at $3? Is exactly what to do. This is a confirmed billing discrepancy some users have reported, and the fix does not involve the game developer directly, since all the App Store payments are processed and refunded by Apple. First, go to your settings app, then tap your name at the top, then go to media and purchases, click view account. Once it's open, go ahead and tap view account and then scroll up to purchase history. Tap purchase history to find the exact charge in the question and confirm the amount charged versus what was advertised in the game. Take a screenshot of both the listed price in Pixel Flow and the actual charge in your purchase history as evidence. Then go to reportproblem.apple.com in a browser. Go to Google or Safari and then search for reportproblemapple.com and tap on it and sign in with your Apple ID. Here, find Pixel Flow Purchase and tap select request or refund, choosing the reason that best matches, such as I was charged for a purchase I did not intend to make, or billing issue. Apple typically responds within a few days, and that's it. All you've got to do is check your purchase history, screenshot the discrepancy, and file a refund request directly with Apple at report.apple.com. This is the fastest path to resolution, and that's it. Subscribe.